going to England for a couple of days. Wales. That's the idea. Now you have still a week holiday left. Little to do. Nice weather. Well, at least here on the mainland. But how it is in Wales and England, I'm not completely sure about it. But I'm going to experience that. For now, entering Hoek van Holland to check in on the Steenaaf line, the ferry. And then the idea is to do 4 days in total in England, and most of that period I will going across Wales, because I've seen a lot of it on YouTube and the internet and movies and so on from other people, and it looks very nice. First, I need to check in. If everything is correct, I've done that already, but I don't have a cabin number yet. And I expect to receive that at the desk. And I have some bikers in front of me who are going back home. England, right. Departures, bikes, and so forth. Okay. And now I need my phone for all the information. Barcode from the Stena line, numbers, blah blah blah, and the passport, of course. Hallo, ik heb een barcode voor je en een nummer.
Ja, en een paspoort.
En een paspoort.
Dank u wel.
En ik heb nog geen hutnummer.
Die krijgt u hier.
Die krijg ik bij u. Fantastisch.
Bent u al vaker mee geweest?
Nou, een paar jaar geleden.
Heeft u al nog een plattegrond van?
Ja, altijd handig.
Op de achterkant kunt u de plek van uw hut vinden.
Oké.
De eerste 2 cijfers zijn het deknummer, de
Ja.
laatste 3 cijfers zijn waar u zit.
Oké. Dek 11, nummer 355. Dankjewel.
Een fijne reis.
And what's going to happen next? Waiting. Okay. Then I can have a nice chat with those England guys, I think.
Yeah, they're very nice, aren't they?
Yeah, that's the only thing that counts. It's the only thing that counts. KTM.
Yeah. I've got a 690 Supermoto as well.
Yeah, true.
That's a lot of fun.
Yeah,
But you can't do this
yeah.
on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice bikes.
Absolutely. Hallo. The boat that is going to depart at 10, so I have plenty of time. all the bikes are parked over there. So we have a special area. I already thought so. I can remember that from a couple of years back. The straps are over there, but I have my own. No, no problem. I should have something to put on. Yeah, here. Great. Okay, lift. Now I need to find deck 11, where my cabin is. Okay, 355. 355, 11, there. 355. Always a challenge. 324, yeah. 28, 331, 355. Okay, this should be it. Welcome to my suite. I don't have a window because it's an inside cabin, but I knew that up front. Also costed less money, but I'm in and I'm sweating my pants off because it's hot. Okay. Point is, I thought I'm going outside to get some fresh air, but inside, the hallways, the cabins, temperature is way better than here outside. Cheers.